Hey there, welcome back to Intruder Security. In this video, we are going to explore amazing top UI toolkits and frameworks for 2023. In this technical age, creating seamless and visually appealing user interface is more important than ever. So, let's dive into the fantastic UI toolkits that are making waves in the design world. First, we have Tailwind UI. It's like having a bunch of Lego blocks ready to build a cool castle. Tailwind UI gives you these pre-designed pieces of CSS codes. You can put them together to create your own unique design. Easy and fun. To explore the websites made in Tailwind, navigate to the Showcase tab. Here you can see the amazing websites which uses Tailwind to design. See how amazing is the UI of the websites made in Tailwind. Let's explore some of these sites. Everything you are seeing on this website is made in Tailwind. All you have to do is add some classes provided by them. Short and sweet website. You can also explore this website. Just click on the preferred website and then go to the website from here. Here is the Netflix Top 10 website. Just explore how the Tailwind CSS is used. Open the developer tools and explore the classes of Tailwind. Now let's see the installation part of Tailwind CSS. You can install the Tailwind from the CDN. Use framework guides for specific frameworks you are using. So, to install Tailwind CSS, you can use the Node Package Manager commands. The next thing is, you should configure the Tailwind config file. Copy this inside your Tailwind config file in the root directory. Now you will have to import the Tailwind CSS into your CSS files. And at last you can use this command to build your Tailwind CSS. Now you are good to go. Use the Tailwind classes to create amazing websites. For the documentation or the forgetting class names, you can scroll down on the left panel and use your preferred block. Next up is Shadcn UI. Amazing UI library to make your design look clean and modern. Shadcn UI does just that by providing pre-built components. One of the best examples of Shadcn UI is on their home page. The shown dashboard is created by using the Shadcn UI. See how it provides amazing and cool-looking components to leverage your website designs on next level. Another example of UI is shown in the cards section. This section consists of login panel, issue reporting panel, payment gateway panel, and much more. The components also has functionality menu like drop-down menu, calendar for picking up date. There are more such examples. You can explore this panel from their official website. They also have pre-built themes which will help you to explore their components with different combinations. You can choose the dark mode or the light mode as per your preference. Even they allow you to choose your custom colors. This helps you to decide the components and the theme to use in your website. You can choose a color which will match your website theme and work on it. Now let's jump to the installation part of Shadcn UI. Here select the framework of your choice. For now I will proceed with manual by create React app. Shadcn uses Tailwind as its CSS framework, so you would require Tailwind as a dependency of Shadcn. Use the previous steps to install Tailwind into your project. Now use this Node Package Manager command to install other dependencies. You will also require icon dependency in your components. You can get this icons shown in this theme dashboard from Lucide React. Use this command to download it. Now configure your TypeScript config file by adding this command in tsconfig file in root of your project. Configure your Tailwind file using this content. You will also have you import the Tailwind CSS in your main CSS file. At last add this function to add the conditional adding of Tailwind CSS classes. That's it. You are good to go for adding Shadcn UI components to your project. Now scroll down to the components part to start exploring different components provided by the Shadcn UI. Now, let's talk about Chakra UI, the amazing framework of customization. Chakra UI offers ready-made pieces that you can easily tweak to match your style. Similar to Tailwind, Chakra UI provides class names to modify and design your website as per your choice. Scroll down the sites and click on the C Showcase to explore sites made in Chakra UI. Let's see this site. So a simple site with amazing user interface. The whole site is made in Chakra UI and has amazing design. Let's explore one more creativity of Chakra UI. Another amazing UI with engaging colors. The Chakra UI enhances the professionalism of the website. Let's explore the installation part of Chakra UI. Go to the Getting Started section from the left menu. Installing Chakra UI is pretty simple. Just use this command to install Chakra UI using the Node Package Manager and use the Chakra provider to wrap up your application in your app.js file. And once you have installed the framework, you can go to the Components section from the left menu. From here, you can choose some of the pre-built components like skeleton, loading screen, progressive bar, toast, and much more. Now go to the Style system to know more about the Chakra UI class names to create your own designs. Chakra UI helps you create beautiful designs that are also easy to use. It's like having a bunch of dress-up options for your website. Finally, we have Material UI, one of the best of UI toolkits. It's like having a treasure chest full of amazing design stuff. Material UI is based on Google's cool design rules. Material UI is similar to Shadcn UI, which has multiple pre-built components for faster development. You can see some of the examples of Material UI components on the right side of the screen. They are interactive and has user-friendly design. Generally, Material UI has various libraries and templates. In this video, we are going to explore the core library of Material UI. You can also explore the other libraries and the templates. For now, let's see the core library of Material UI. Inside the Docs menu, go to the Installation section. Installation of Material UI is also simple. Just use this command to install Material UI. You can also use yarn and npm commands to install Material UI. You can also use the Styled Components library for styling, but currently it's not supported in the server-rendered projects. Now you will have to add this peer dependencies in your package file. Material UI uses Roboto font, so you can download the font from this command and include it in the CSS file or import it from Google Web Fonts CDN. That's it, you have successfully installed the Material UI inside your project. Go to the Components section on the left side of the screen and import the favorite components on your project. Material UI is like a design toolbox with tons of cool things. It's a trusted choice for making apps and websites look and feel awesome. And that's a wrap. Choose the toolkit that feels right for your project. They're like toolboxes full of different tools, and you get to decide which one suits your building project. Have fun building and creating. For more such web development, UI, UX, and security-related content, do hit that like, share, and the subscribe button. We also have a live session coming up on Roadmap for cybersecurity and ethical hacking by industry experts. Till then, stay tuned and keep checking out our Instagram handle.